Hello everyone, welcome to our daily roundup, daily forecast video for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. And if you find this video helpful, please like and comment below your thoughts. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe the channel. So let's clean the drawings as usual. Let's go from a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame on gold, we can see that previous month yesterday closed bearish, breaking the previous month low, indicating a bearish momentum. Now we're forming a wick, and then if when we flip and break these lows, we should continue to the downside. We made this new low, it failed to break the previous lower highs, so we should be good to go down. Weekly, however, on a weekly time frame, we have this level here which we closed below, but then we have this here which is like previous resistance, now can easily be turned into support. So as long as we don't break this level here, we still can move up at any time and then form that monthly wick and then continue to a downside. So let's go ahead quickly on daily time frame. On daily time frame, we have this level which is kind of crucial. We broke below this and now we're at this point here. We have this level here and then we have this level here. This is the lower high on a daily time frame before creating this lower low, so we failed to break that as of now. So if we come up and break this, then we can look for buys. If we find resistance here, we can look for sells to retest the low according to our trading plan. On 4-hour time frame, we can see that these are very nice aligning with each other, and then we can see that this level is also kind of quite crucial because there is a support, try to fail, came back inside, move up and retest these highs again. So as of now, for sells, I need a closure below here. If we get a closure below here, I believe we can come up to this level to fill this area to like this. If we find some sort of support and then break the high of the support, I think we can move up and fill this wicks to the upside and then potentially see a move to the overall upside. That's gonna be quite tricky. Let's go ahead in 1 hour and see what we will need. On 1 hour, we need a break below here. We had this break below, but then we just broke the lows here. We faked out and came inside the range, so I believe. And also we have this resistance here. I believe if we close above here, we can retest till this level here. How many pips is this? It's like 35 pip range. Not very small, not very big. Let me check for to the downside. It's like 50 pips, so I'm gonna put an alert to the upside here and an alert to the downside here to check where we can close outside this range for either buys or sell. I prefer buys, to be honest, because we're still in this bullish trend. We made this retracement, came back to previous resistance and previous support, confirming again as support. So if we break above here, buys should be more safe. Let's go on GJ, remove the drawings. Let's go from a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame closed bullish on GJ. Haven't made a very significant wick. I expect a wick till 161.8 would be ideal to come create a wick and then flip to move bullish. Weekly is now rejecting this zone, potentially leaving room for the next week to fill up the wick, as long as we don't break the lows of the previous weekly candle. Daily is quite tricky. Daily we never actually closed below this level here, so it's very tricky for buys in my opinion, even though yesterday we closed bullish, but very weak bullish, as you can see. On a 4-hour time frame, on a 4-hour for GJ, I will look for buys only above here. And for sells either if we come here and then show some rejection sign, and then I will potentially take sells, or overall more safer sells are below here to retest this level over here. So let's go quickly also in 1 hour time frame and check what does 1 hour give us. 1 hour has had this Yeah, not very significant anymore. This level, we can have this line over here, and then we can have another line over here. If we come up, how many pips? Like 50 pips. Yeah, if we come up and close above here, make all this move to the up, to the downside, because this was a range pre-London, and then on the London Open we broke to the upside. Now we're coming back inside. If we close back inside and then starting to break the highs, could be a potential aggressive buy, even though we are overall in a bearish trend. As you can see, we made a high, this is higher low, we broke that higher low, we made a lower low, lower high, and then we broke again this with lower low. Now as long as we don't break this, we are still in a bearish trend on 1 hour time frame, so we should be very cautious about this, because taking buys here is very risky. We can reject at any point, so we need to be aggressively managing risk. For sells I would prefer sells below here, but then you have these rejections which I don't really like, but can potentially, some nice sells can be also below this level and come to this level to the down. There are some small ranges, but we have to deal with them. We need to close below this level right over here. We need to close above this level and then break the highs for buys, and then we can close, and then if we continue to the downside, then we can take some sells below this level here. So I hope this video, I hope it's clear what I'm looking for today for gold and GJ. Thank you for watching. Sorry about this. Like and subscribe, support the channel.